All right, YouTube, what is up? I've had a few problems over the last couple of rides as far as like my wheel and tire stuff, and we tipped over our four-seater, and I started thinking about it more, and I decided I wanted to make like a bag, like a tool bag or a gear bag or an shiz bag, you know, when things go wrong that you're ready to go. So I ordered a bunch of stuff. I'm interested to hear you guys' input, any suggestions or things that you bring on the trail, but I decided I'd get a little gear bag together. I'm probably gonna use, so we made this bracket for our fuel cell that we bought from Jegs, and it was the biggest piece of crap. It could not hold any fuel. We would just burn down and die. But I still have the bracket, and so I decided on a duffel to go in there. I'll have straps that can strap it down, but I decided on a duffel because I want to kind of be able to kind of cinch stuff down in the bag. If it's in like a hard tub or something, it's going to be moving around. And so I decided to go with the duffel. It's something I can kind of, you know, if I'm not taking my machine one day, I can take it with me on somebody else's machine. But anyways, I decided I need to be a little more prepared. So I built this. I think this will be fun. These are all the things that I thought would be nice to have on the trail. I'm going to switch to my other camera and we'll kind of go through everything. But anyways, I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited to actually be a little more prepared on the trail. So yeah, I'm packing the spare now. And now I'm going to have a real toolkit to take care of mine or my friend's machines if we have a problem, which we ride enough. You know, the odds are we're going to have a problem. So anyways, I think you guys will enjoy this video and I'll be right back. All right, what's up guys? So let's take a look at what I got in here. Like I said, I wanted a duffel. I thought about it. I just want to be able to strap stuff down. This was about 30 bucks. Good high quality duffel. I got all this stuff on Amazon and I will link everything if you guys want it. Use my links, but let's take a look. I decided a couple shackles would be good. I'm going to keep my extra belt in here. Got to have an extra belt, right? So the two main problems you're going to have on the trail are what? Belt and tires. I've had no belt issues yet, but it's definitely possible. So wheel and tire problems, belt problems. Decided just a good multi-tool. This one's kind of cool. So this one's like pliers. It's got a hammer, a little axe, couple little saws, like can opener, just like a bunch of cool stuff. It was cheap, but I thought just a decent little multi-tool would be fun. So I got a multi-tool, some Gorilla Tape. Man, duct tape, you never know. This thing can fix fenders or wrap up just about anything. So I got some good Gorilla Tape. Strap, 10,000 pound, I think, 10,000 pound strap, but not too big, not too bulky, not too heavy. But it worked good with the shackles. So yeah, I got a strap. Zip ties, again, kind of like the duct tape. You can just never go wrong having some zip ties. I got these little extenders to maybe help with getting stuff that's kind of tight to get around the motor and stuff. So a little wobbly 3/8 and quarter extenders. I bought these shackles, but I'm actually going to take these ones back. They're too big. I was going to buy some black shackles, but I'm going to buy some like that size, the first ones I showed you. These ones are too heavy duty. I don't need to bring this much weight and that much girth on the trail. So take these guys back. First aid kit. Thought that'd be good. So cheap, not too expensive. First aid kit. Shovel, a little shovel, you know, especially right in the wintertime, even this little guy can help. So just a little foldable Gerber shovel. It was inexpensive and it's nice, just lightweight, good little shovel. Let's see, 19 mil socket. I got this Cobalt Socket Set. It's pretty sweet. It was a good price and it kind of just has everything I need in it, and it's in a smaller set in a case, which is nice. It just didn't have a 19 mil though. So it had up to 18 and you need 19 for your lugs. Let's see, saw. These are cool. So heard good things about these, again, Amazon, but man, there's a lot of times, unless John has his gun, unless John wants to America the tree with his gun, you might need to saw. So there's been several times we need to clear the trail or something. This little saw can do quite a bit. So got a little saw. I think it's gonna be pretty sweet to have. Some electrical tape, in case you have any kind of electrical issue. Let's see. This is kind of cool. I'm sure most of you guys have seen these, but it's a jump starter pack. So this has several uses. But basically you got a flashlight, you've got chargers, and then you've got your jump pack. So that's another problem you could have that would really suck, would be having your battery go dead on the trail. So this little guy, boom, this will start, it says up to a 2-liter motor, so we have a 1-liter motor, so it should be no problem at all. So that's pretty cool. That over. Okay, this is badass. So I don't know if you guys have seen these or not. This is an air pump. So battery operated air pump, also a charger, also has a light. But pretty cool, digitally set the PSI. So you can literally be on the trail and just like you forgot to check your tires. So you can set the PSI to 10.5 pounds or whatever, put it on, push go, and she'll get it done. So it's not gonna be like, it'll do up to 150 PSI, but if your tire's totally flat, I don't know if this is gonna do it, but this is definitely good for all your little adjustments and everything. So anyways, pretty cool little setup. And then here, this, I got like a Torx and screwdriver and my 3/8 and quarter, and then my couple attachments, a little Irwin set, and then this guy. So this guy I'm hoping can do most of the work. I love these Milwaukee Fuel M12 stuff. They're badass. I've had such good luck with them. And I'll need to probably, so it'll do just about everything. It has 1,200 inch-pounds of torque. I don't think it's quite enough to bust a wheel off. So worst case though, I'll try it, but look at that, it got it. So it might not do it every time, but it did get it. So what's cool about this is you have something that can take off a lug and then also do everything else on your machine. That was my idea. So you've got, all your Torx and Allens and screwdriver stuff. Oh, your belt cover, so huge, right? Like you do not want to have your stock kit trying to take out one screw at a time when you can just pull out one of these, boom, get the whole cover off in 10 seconds, grab your clutch tool, throw your belt on and be done. So that was my idea with this. They make an impact that's just a 3/8 impact with sockets, but then I felt like it'd be way harder to do the rest of the stuff on the machine, and this one's actually a way better price. They want 200 bucks for a 3/8 impact driver, but this one with this hex attachment, it's like 60 bucks for just the tool. I guess I already had batteries and stuff from my other tools, but way cheaper, so pretty badass. And this should be 100 foot-pounds of torque, 1,200 inch-pounds. And I think you're only supposed to go to like 74 on your lug, so it should be plenty of power to take those on and off. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm open to suggestion. If there's stuff that you bring, I'm thinking about like a fire starter kit and maybe like a Sierra straw, like a life straw, just in case you needed to suck some water out of a river or something. That'd be kind of cool. But anything else that you guys think you'd bring, but I wanted kind of like a compact bag that I could take with me and kind of have most of the stuff that I'm going to need to help somebody out. So that's what I decided on. I think I can pretty much take care of most of my problems with this equipment. So I'm pretty excited about it. You guys tell me what you think, but that's my new little go bag. It's gonna fit perfectly right in the back where I showed you on my fuel cell thing. But even if you didn't have a fuel cell thing, you could do the same thing. You just strap down to the rack, and I think it would work great. But there you go. I thought it'd be fun to build. I'm pretty excited that I'm actually like semi-prepared now. I've got a spare. I've got some tools. You know, your stock toolkit, like, oh, the other thing. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in there too. So just a plug kit. So we will have the plug kit in there also. But you know, this is not enough. This is what you need. This, like, I guess it's better than nothing, but that's not enough on the trail. So anyways, guys, there you go. There it is. That's my kit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks.